What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Online Goldmine, your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets to making money online. I remember back in the day when I was working my tail off at the car dealership, dreaming of the day I could ditch the 9-to-5 and build my own empire. Now in 2025, the online money-making game is bigger than ever. We're talking trillions of dollars flowing through the digital economy. So, if you're ready to finally take control of your financial future and start building the life you deserve, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive right in. Alright, let's kick things off with a platform that's near and dear to my heart, Upwork. Upwork is a global freelancing platform that connects businesses and entrepreneurs with skilled freelancers from all over the world. We're talking about everything from web development and graphic design to writing, virtual assistants, and even things like legal and accounting services. And the best part? Upwork makes it incredibly easy to get started. You create a profile, highlight your skills and experience, and boom, you're ready to start browsing thousands of job postings and submitting proposals. One of the things I love about Upwork is its secure payment system. You don't have to worry about chasing down payments or dealing with shady clients. Upwork handles all of that for you, taking a small commission on your earnings, which is completely fair considering the value they provide. The key to standing out on Upwork is to craft a killer profile. Use high-quality photos, highlight your most relevant experience, and don't be afraid to show off your personality. Remember, people buy from people they like and trust. When you're just starting out, don't be afraid to start with competitive rates. Once you've got some positive reviews under your belt, you can start gradually increasing your rates. So, if you're serious about making money online, head over to Upwork and start building your profile today. Alright, let's move on to a platform that's perfect for all you creative entrepreneurs out there. Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace where you can buy and sell unique handmade and vintage items. It's a vibrant community where creativity and commerce intersect. We're talking about everything from jewelry and clothing to home decor, art, furniture, and so much more. The variety is truly astounding. What I love about Etsy is that it provides a platform for creators and artists to turn their passion into a thriving business. It's a place where your creativity can shine and reach a global audience. Whether you're an expert knitter, a master woodworker, or a digital design whiz, Etsy gives you access to a global audience of shoppers who are actively looking for one-of-a-kind handcrafted goods. It's a marketplace that values uniqueness and quality. And setting up shop on Etsy is surprisingly simple. The platform is user-friendly and designed to help you succeed. You create a profile, choose a shop name that reflects your brand, and start listing your products. It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow. Etsy provides all the tools you need to manage your inventory, process orders, and communicate with customers. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your business more efficient. And the best part? Etsy has super low setup costs. This makes it accessible for anyone looking to start their own business without a huge upfront investment. In fact, it's free to create an Etsy account, and you only pay a small listing fee for each item you put up for sale. This means you can start selling with minimal financial risk. First and foremost, focus on creating high-quality products that people will actually want to buy. Quality is key to standing out in the marketplace. Take your time, source the best materials, and pay attention to detail. These elements will set your products apart from the competition. Make sure your product photos are top-notch. Great photos can make a huge difference in attracting buyers. Use natural lighting, style your shots well, and showcase your products from multiple angles. This helps potential buyers get a clear idea of what they're purchasing. Use relevant keywords in your product titles and descriptions, and make sure your shop is properly categorized. This will help your products get found by the right customers. Etsy can be an incredibly rewarding platform for creative entrepreneurs. It's a place where your passion can turn into profit. So if you've got a passion for creating and you're ready to share your talents with the world, Etsy might just be the perfect platform for you. Dive in and start your journey today. Chapter 3. Alright, let's talk about the big dog in the room, YouTube. YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform with billions of monthly active users. It's a place where anyone can share their voice, creativity, and ideas with a global audience. But what you might not know is that YouTube can also be a massive money-making machine. Many creators have turned their channels into full-time careers. And no, you don't need to be the next Mr. Beast or Charlie D'Amelio to make it happen. Success on YouTube comes in many forms and sizes. There are countless YouTubers out there building successful businesses by creating content around their passions and expertise. From tech reviews to beauty tutorials, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're into gaming, cooking, travel, personal finance, or literally anything else, there's an audience on YouTube just waiting to discover your channel. The platform's diversity is one of its greatest strengths. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. It's about showing up regularly and engaging with your audience, but the rewards can be absolutely life-changing. From recognition to financial independence, the potential is vast. So, how do you actually make money on YouTube? Well, there are a few main avenues. Let's break them down. The first and most common is through ad revenue. This is where YouTube places ads on your videos, and you earn a share of the revenue generated. Once you hit a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, you can apply for YouTube's partner program, which allows you to run ads on your videos and earn a share of the revenue. This is a significant milestone for many creators. The second way to make money on YouTube is through sponsorships. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products. As your channel grows and you start attracting a loyal following, brands will approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. This can be a lucrative opportunity. This can be a great way to generate income and collaborate with brands you love. It's a win-win situation for both parties. And finally, you can also make money on YouTube through channel memberships and merchandise sales. These methods allow you to diversify your income streams. Channel memberships allow your most dedicated fans to support your channel directly in exchange for exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content. It's a way to build a community within your community. Merchandise sales can be a great way to monetize your brand and give your fans a tangible way to show their support. From t-shirts to mugs, the options are endless. The key to success on YouTube is to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your viewers. Consistency and authenticity are crucial. So, if you've got a story to tell or a message to share, don't hesitate. The world is waiting to hear from you. Grab your camera, start filming, and see where the YouTube journey takes you. The possibilities are endless and the adventure is just beginning. Chapter 4. Alright, let's shift gears a bit and talk about the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Now, I know crypto can seem a bit intimidating at first, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. And with the right platform and a little bit of knowledge, it can be a fantastic way to potentially grow your wealth. Now, there are tons of cryptocurrency exchanges out there, but the one I personally use and recommend is Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the largest and most trusted cryptocurrency platforms in the world, and they make it incredibly easy to buy, sell, and manage your crypto assets. One of the things I love about Coinbase is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or just starting out, Coinbase makes it easy to navigate the world of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other major cryptocurrencies. They also have a fantastic mobile app, so you can manage your investments on the go. And for those of you who are brand new to crypto, Coinbase offers a ton of educational resources, including beginner-friendly tutorials and articles to help you understand the ins and outs of this exciting asset class. So if you're looking for a potentially high-growth investment opportunity and you're ready to be a part of the future of finance, I highly recommend checking out Coinbase. Chapter 5. Alright, let's wrap things up with a platform that's perfect for all you lifelong learners and educators out there. Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community where you can learn pretty much anything from experts in their respective fields. Whether you're looking to pick up a new hobby or advance your career, Skillshare has something for everyone. We're talking about thousands of courses on everything from design and illustration to photography, filmmaking, business, technology, and so much more. The variety is truly astounding, and there's always something new to discover. But here's the really cool part. Skillshare isn't just a place to learn new skills, it's also a fantastic platform for sharing your knowledge and generating passive income. Imagine turning your expertise into a steady stream of revenue. That's right, you can become a Skillshare teacher and get paid to teach others what you know. It's a rewarding way to share your passion and help others grow. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, do I need to be a certified expert to teach on Skillshare? And the answer is, not necessarily. While having some credentials can be beneficial, it's not a strict requirement. While it definitely helps to have some experience and expertise in your chosen field, The most important thing is to be passionate about your subject matter and able to communicate your knowledge in a clear, concise, and engaging way. Your enthusiasm can make all the difference. Skillshare makes it incredibly easy to create and upload your online courses. The platform is user-friendly and designed to help you succeed. They provide all the tools you need to record your videos, create your course materials, and interact with your students. From video editing software to community forums, everything is at your fingertips. And the best part? You earn passive income from your courses. It's a fantastic way to monetize your skills and knowledge. Every time someone watches your course, you get paid. The more engaging and valuable your content, the more you can earn. Skillshare is an incredible platform for anyone who's passionate about learning and teaching. It's a community where knowledge is shared and valued. So if you've got a skill you're eager to teach, I highly encourage you to check out Skillshare and start creating your first online course today. It's a journey worth embarking on. There you have it, folks. We've covered 5 incredible platforms that can help you unlock the secrets to making money online in 2025. From freelancing and e-commerce to content creation, cryptocurrency, and online education, the opportunities are truly limitless. Remember, the internet has democratized wealth creation like never before. You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of capital to get started. All you need is a willingness to learn, a strong work ethic, and the courage to take action. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join the online Goldmine community. Let's make 2025 our most profitable year yet. Until next time, happy earning.